Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream matcha, updated. Blend matcha with a little hot water to make a smooth paste, then whisk into milk and cream. Add sugar and a pinch of salt, stir until dissolved, and chill the base thoroughly in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Cooling improves texture and flavor development before churning in an ice cream maker or freezing by hand. Whisk egg yolks, then slowly pour some warm matcha cream into the yolks to temper them and avoid scrambling. Return tempered yolks to the pan and gently heat until the mixture reaches about 170 degrees F and coats the back of a spoon. Remove from heat, stir in the matcha paste, then strain into a bowl to ensure smoothness. Place the bowl over an ice bath and stir until it is fully chilled before spinning it into ice cream. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. It really helps. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers. They make storing and transporting homemade ice cream simple and tidy. Check the description for the product link and other deals related to kitchen gear and ingredients. Thanks for watching this short recommendation. Now let's get back to the video. Pour the chilled matcha custard into your ice cream maker and churn until it has a soft serve texture, following your machine's guidelines for timing. Once churned, move the ice cream into a shallow, airtight container and press plastic wrap directly on the surface to minimize ice crystals. Freeze for at least 4 hours to achieve a scoopable firmness, then rest at room temperature for a few minutes before serving to soften slightly and release the matcha aroma.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.